Hi students, this is application of integral part 2. In last video part 1 we discussed the area bounded by the curve and the lines and with respect to x-axis or y-axis. And also you know that suppose the curve is below the x-axis, then we get the area is negative and we take the absolute area. And also you know that the some portion of the curve is above the x-axis and some portion of the curve is below the x-axis, then split the integrals. Here separate, find the area above the curve and find the area below the curve. Adding these two area you get the required area. And also solving two simple problems in last video. In this video we discuss some other problems using the definite integrals. Find the area of the regions bounded by the curve. Find the area of the regions bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4y and the lines y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 and the y-axis and the y-axis. Similar type problems. Find the area of the regions bounded by the curve. Here the given curve is x square is equal to 4y and the lines y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4 and give with respect to y-axis. Here also given that the given curve is x square is equal to 4y and the y-axis means with respect to y-axis. Y-axis is also one of the boundary. Therefore, rewrite this equations x is equal to f of y forms. It implies you can say that the value of x equal to 2 into 1. This one is the given curve. Given curve. Right? And the lines are given y is equal to, these lines are parallel to x-axis, y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. First draw the diagrams. Here you know that this one is also represent a parabola, x square is equal to 4ay forms. The vertex is origins and here a is positive, therefore above the x-axis. This one is the, it is clear. The vertex is origin, put x equal to 0, y equal to 0, intersect the origins. The curve is here a is positive, therefore above the x-axis and the lines are parallel to x-axis. Your lines, so y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. These are the lines, y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. The boundaries are x-axis. Here also you know that this one is the total area. This one is total area. This one is the total area. Here find this total area. Here you know that the integral from c to d x, it means f of y into dx dy is area bounded by the curve x is equal to f of y. Boundaries are x equal to f of y. F of y another boundary. Idu on the boundary. Lines parallel to x axis. X, y equal to c. Y equal to c. Y is equal to d. And y axis anta. Idu boundaries agirte. Y axis boundary. Idu boundary. Idu boundary. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಲೈನು ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ಸ್ a to b ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ y ಎಕ್ಸಸ್, ಲೈನ್ y is equal to 2, y is equal to d ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 and the curve ಇಷ್ಟು ಏರಿಯಾನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. It is clear because the curve is symmetric with respect to y axis. Therefore, first here find this area. It is clear. Here find the area. It means this area is exactly equal to this area. Therefore, required area is equal to, area is equal to 2 times. Suppose the required area is Suppose you can say that L1, L2, L3, L4 and these are the points A and B anta helana. Your convenience, it is not necessary y is equal to 4b. It means the required area is L1, L2, L3, L4. This value is exactly equal to 2 times area bounded by the curves. Yaudo area of A, L2, L3, B anta. This lies in first quadrant. This for only for knowledge is not right like this. Therefore, the required area is equal to 2 times area bounded by. These are the boundaries. Y is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 and x into dy. Its value is 2 times integral from 2 to 4. What is the value of x? Here 2 times root y into dy. Here you know that 2 into 2 is 4 constant. Integration of root y means y to the power half, y to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. The range is 2 to 4. This value is equal to 2 into 4 means 8, 8 by 3. Put y equal to 4 root 4 means 2, 2 cube means 8 minus put y is equal to 2 root 2 whole to the power 3 means 2 into root 2. This value is equal to, you can suppose you can taking 2 root 2 is common terms ತಗೋಬಹುದು 2 into root 2 common terms ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 16 times root 2 by 3 into 2 root 2 common terms ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ its value is equal to 2 root 2 minus 1 square units. This one is the required area. Area of the regions bounded by this curve. ಈ curve ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ and the line ಬರುತ್ತೆ and y-axis symmetric with respect to. Therefore, here you know that integral from a to b f of x into dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ y-axis ಈ ಎರಡು ಲೈನು ಮತ್ತು ಈ curve ಅದರ boundaries ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, multiplying 2 times ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. This one is the required area bounded by the curve and the lines y equal to a, c, y equal to d and the y-axis. Suppose here given that find the area of the regions bounded by the curve x square equal to 4ay. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರಬಹುದು and the line y is equal to 2, y equal to 1 and first quadrant ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ axis in first quadrant. You ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. This condition is given only area bounded in the first quadrant. First quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ area. The method is same. Here this value is required area is exactly equal to this area is, we know that this value is equal to ABL3 L2. It means this value is equal to the same values. Its value is equal to 2 is not necessary. Here 2 into 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. The remaining same ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಅನ್ನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 into root 2 divided by 3 into 2 root 2 minus 1 square unit. ಯಾವಾಗ here given in y-axis in first quadrant. Area first quadrant ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಂತ. Yeah? The next examples. Find the area of the regions bounded by the curve. Y is equal to x square, comma, x-axis and the lines x equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1. Find the area of the regions bounded by the curve x square is equal to 4ay. This one is y is equal to x square and the x-axis and the line x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to 1. This one is also the similar type questions. Here the given curve y is equal to x square and the x-axis means the y is equal to x square as it is, y is equal to f of x, given curve. And lines x equal to minus 2 and x equal to plus 1. Next, draw the graph or figure, rough figure. These are x-axis and this one is y-axis is the origin. The line x square is equal to 4ay, vertex is origins. A is positive here, 4a is equal to 1, a equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, the curve is like this, it is a parabola. It is clear. The lines are given x is equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 2. And also given that line is x is equal to 1. This one is x equal to 1. Suppose you can say that here x is equal to 1. Here find the area enclosed or bounded by the curve. Boundaries are, this one is the curve, idu on the boundary, E line on the boundary, E line boundary and x-axis another boundary enclosed between this curve, E area, the required area. We are finding this area. The required area, therefore, required area is equal to area bounded by the curve. This curve is not intersect the x-axis, just to touch the x-axis. Intersect agilla, both the curve area is above the x-axis, not necessary here split the curve. Curve ಅನ್ನು split ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. You can taking integral from -2 to 0 ತಗೊಂಡು 0 plus 0 to 1 ಅಂತಾನೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಇದೆಲ್ಲೂ ಕರ್ವ್ x-axis ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. therefore -2 to 1 you get the same curve. curve is change ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ curve ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. what is the curve? y is equal to x square. You know that y into dx with respect to x-axis ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, with respect to x dx. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದು y ಬರುತ್ತೆ. its value is -2 to 1. what is the value of y? x square into dx. You know that integration of x square is x cube by 3. The range is -2 to 1. Here 1 by 3 another constant. Put x equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus put x equal to -2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ -2 cube means -8. This value is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 plus 8. This value is 9 by 3 into 3 square units. This one is the area bounded by the curve. Y is equal to x square and the x-axis and the line x equal to -2 and x equal to +2. Clear? The similar type questions, problems ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Find the area of the regions bounded by the curve y is equal to x cube and the x-axis and the line x equal to -1 and x equal to +1 or -2 and +1. ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇದು? text is given that -1 and +1. Here also the given curve is y is equal to x is the given curve. The line is x equal to -1 and x equal to +1. These are the lines parallel to y-axis. We know the graph of the cube functions. Y is equal to x cube means it is a cube functions, cubic functions. This one is x-axis, origin and y-axis. It is clear. Curve ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Last year we draw the curve of cubic functions, cube functions. ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? concave ಇಂದ convex forms the point of inflections. ಇದು curve. Y is equal to x cube. The lines are parallel. X is equal to -1 and x is equal to +1. Here find the area bounded by, boundaries ಯಾವುದು? ಈ curve. The line x is equal to -1, the line x equal to +1 and the x-axis. ಈ area plus this area. It is clear? The sum of the area. But here observe that the curve intersects the x-axis at 0 and some portion of the curve is below the x-axis and some portion of the curve is above the x-axis. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? we split the integrals. -1 to +1 ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? 0 ದಲ್ಲಿ. This portion is below the x-axis. You get the negative area. Therefore, here taking modulus sign. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. therefore is the required area is equal to ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, -1 to +1 y into dx. ಬಟ್ with the help of figure ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ, -1 ಇಂದ 0 y into dx. what is the value of y? y ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, x cube into dx plus 0 to 1 y ಅಂದ್ರೆ x cube into dx. but remember this portion is below the x-axis, therefore taking modulus sign. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ mod sign ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ, this portion of the curve is below the x-axis. x-axis ಇಂದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. what is integration of x cube? x raised to 4 divided by 4 -1 to 0. there you know that modulus sign. this one is also x raised to 4 by 4 0 to 1. here put the value of 1 by 4 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. put x is equal to ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಪುಟ್ x equal to -1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ -1 raised to 4 is 1. 1 plus 1 into minus means -1 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. -1 to the power 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. here you know that this value is -1, therefore here taking modulus sign. plus here also 1 by 4 into put x equal to 1 1 minus 0, therefore this value is modulus means +1. 1 into 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 plus 1 into 1 by 4 means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means half square units. This one is the area bounded by the curve y is equal to x cube and the x-axis and the line x is equal to -1 and x equal to +1. This one is the area bounded by the curve. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಲೋ ದ x-axis ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಬೋ ದಿ x-axis ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ವಿತ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಏನು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಫು, ಅದೇ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರೀಕಾಲ್ all the graph of the functions. The next ones, find the area bounded by the curve, bounded by the line ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಣ. line y is equal to 3x 2, y equal to 3x plus 2, the x-axis. The lines x equal to -1 and x is equal to +1. Find the area of the regions bounded by the line y is equal to 3x plus 2 and the x-axis and the line x equal to -1 and x equal to +1. The similar type of problems. Here also first draw the figure. Figure is very important. Here given that the solution, the given curve is y is equal to 3x plus 2 and the x-axis, therefore we put y in terms of x. Given line, given curve anta helbodu athwa line, and x equal to -1, x equal to +1 lines. These lines are parallel to y-axis. Just remember, here you know that suppose drawing this line, the slope is 3 and y-intercept 0 means here x and y, put x equal to 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ y 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, and y is equal to 0 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ you get the value of x. x is -2/3. It is clear. This value is, put the value of y equal to 0, 3x plus 2, it means x is equal to -2/3. Here draw the figure. Figure is very important. This one is not necessary. You direct agi helbodu. This one is coordinate axis, origins, y-axis, this x and y-axis. First draw the line. Here finding the x and y-intercept. X-intercept -2/3 and y-intercept is 2. Either 2 y-intercept to x-intercept is -2/3 minus x is equal to -2/3. ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. It is a straight line. It is clear. The lines x equal to -1 minus 2 by 3 is greater than minus 1. Therefore, this one is x is equal to minus 1. Here, ಇದು origin ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ x equal to minus 2 by 3, ಇದು x equal to minus 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ x equal to plus 1. It's clear? Here find the area required. The boundaries are, this one is the line. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ x axis ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. x axis, the line x equal to minus 1 and x equal to, therefore required area is this area plus this area. Here you know that some portion of the curve is above the x-axis, some portion of the curve is below the x-axis. Below the x-axis, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ minus 1 ಇಂದ minus 2 by 3. Above the x-axis, minus 2 by 3 to 1. Therefore, required area is equal to integral from, ನಾವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, minus 1 to minus 2 by 3, not 0. 0 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ above the x-axis ಇದೆ, y into dx. y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 3x plus 2 into dx ಕರ್ವ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ಪ್ಲಸ್ minus 2 by 3 to plus 1. y means 3x plus 2 into dx. Here you know that this portion is below the x-axis, therefore we are taking the modulus signs, absolute values. Its value is equal to, you know that integral of 3 into x means x square by 2 plus constant with respect to x means constant into x, 2x. The range is minus 1 to minus 2 by 3 plus here also you know that 3 into x square divided by 2 plus 2x. Integration same because same function, limits change minus 2 by 3 to 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ modulus ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ because the curve is above the x-axis. Here also first put the value of upper limit 3 by 2 into put x equal to minus 2 by 3 means minus ಇದು the plus ಆಯಿತು 4 divided by 9. Clear? Plus ಇದು upper limit values. Put x equal to minus 2 by 3 andre minus 4 by 3. This one is the upper limit. Minus. Put x equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 3 by 2 minus 1. ಇದು first integral values. Right? Plus minus 1 andre minus 2. Right? Carefully. Put x is equal to, in this case, put x equal to minus 2 by 3 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 3 by 2 into 4 by 9. Put x equal to minus 4 by 3. Put x equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 3 by 2 plus put x equal to minus 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ minus 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ. minus 1 square is plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 by 2 ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Put x equal to minus 1 into 2 means plus here also you get put x equal to 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 3 by 2 plus 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Right? Minus put x equal to minus ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 3 by 2 into 4 by 9. Correct alva? 3 by 2 into 4 by 9 minus plus 2 into 4 by 3. Right. Simplify these functions. 1 3 3 cancels. 1 2 2 cancels. It means 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3 minus. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು or put as it is. Here also minus 3 by 2 ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Put x equal to or 2 LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ minus 4 plus 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus 1 by 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Plus 3 by 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7 by 2 ಆಯಿತು. 4 plus 3 7 by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus sign ಇದೆ. 1 3 3 cancel, 1 2 2 cancel, so its value is also minus 2 by 3. It's clear? Outside minus, so minus minus plus 4 by 3. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು? plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 cancels. 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2 8 by 2. Its value is equal to 4 square units. It's clear? Therefore, area is equal to 4 square units. The next examples, the similar type problems. Find the area of the region. These are very simple problems, but figure is very important. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. It's clear of the reasons bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x in the closed intervals 0 to pi and the x-axis. Y is equal to sin x and the line, it means x is equal to 0 and x equal to 2 pi and the x-axis. Find the area of the regions bounded by the curve y is equal to sin x. Inside the condition is x equal to 0 and x equal to 2 pi and the x-axis. Here also solutions is very simple. The given curve is y is equal to sin x. Given curve and the lines x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 pi and x-axis. First draw the figure. Diagram is very important in this case. Already you draw the graph of sin x in previous years. In x-axis you take the angles pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, like this. In y-axis you know that maximum value is plus 1 and the minimum value is minus 1. Even now last year draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. The curve is x is equal to 0, sin x is 0, y is 0, x equal to pi by 2, sin x is 1. ಹಾಗೆ pi by 2 to pi sin curve is decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 0 to pi by 2 increase from 0 to 1. ಹಾಗೆ pi by 2 ಇಂದ pi ಗೆ decreasing from 1 to 0 and pi to 3 pi by 2 again decreasing from 0 to minus 1 ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಹಾಗೆ this one is 3 pi by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಹಾಗೆ 2 pi ತನಕ increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ minus 1 ಇಂದ 0. Here find the area, this area bounded by the curve. ಇದು curve ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ x equal to 0, x equal to 2 pi ಹಾಗೆ the x-axis. ಇದು boundaries. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೌಂಡ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಾಗುವಂತ ಏರಿಯಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ. Is clear? This one is the figure. Figure is very important. You know that this one is the maximum value and minimum value of the functions. This is then required area is equal to integral from here also verify from diagrams. The some portion is above the x-axis, some portion is below the x-axis. Above the x-axis from 0 to pi and below the x-axis from pi to 2 pi. The same curve and the x-axis. Therefore split the integrals. 0 to 2 pi ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋದಲ್ಲ. Here split ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ integral from 0 to 2 pi y into dx. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? 0 to pi y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? sin x into dx plus here pi to 2 pi below the x-axis. Therefore taking the modulus sign pi to 2 pi sin x into dx. It is clear? It's value sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus cos x. The range ಏನು 0 ದಿಂದ pi plus modulus of here also minus cos x. The range ಏನು pi to 2 pi. Very simple result. But here you can take modulus, absolute values. Area is always positive. Minus outside ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ cos pi minus cos 0. It is clear? Plus modulus ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Here cos of 2 pi minus cos pi. ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಮೈನಸ್ cos pi means minus 1 minus cos 0 means minus 1 plus modulus of minus into bracket cos 2 pi means 1 minus cos of pi means minus plus 1. Here minus 1 minus 2 into minus means 2. Here 1 plus 1 is 2 into minus 2. Modulus sign means 2 square. It means its value is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 square units. This one is the area enclosed by the curve y is equal to sin x and the lines x equal to 0, x equal to 2 pi and the x. Suppose the similar type curve y is equal to cos x. The lines are same in the range 0 to 2 pi ಒಳಗಡೆ and the x-axis ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ 0 to 2 pi and the x-axis. The similar type here the given curve is y is equal to cos x, the given curve. The lines are the boundaries x equal to 0, x equal to 2 pi. It's clear? Now, the figure change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ curve ಅನ್ನು draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು last year. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? This one is the coordinate axis, x-axis and y-axis 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2 and 2 pi. This one is 2 pi ಅಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಕರ್ವ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? Maximum value of cos x plus 1, minimum value is minus 1, cos 0 0, cos pi by 2 0 decrease ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಪುನಃ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ pi by 2 ಇಂದ ಪಿಗೆ minus 1 ತನಕ 0 ದಿಂದ minus 1 ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? 3 pi by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪುನಃ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ದಿಂದ 1 ಗೆ. This one is the graph, this one is the line 2 pi and x is equal to 0. ಇದು ಬೌಂಡ್ರೀಸು ಕರ್ವ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕರ್ವ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್. ಏರಿಯಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್. Yes? If you get silent, write the required area. The required area integral forms. Here the split the integrals. Elli split ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Intersect at the point x equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 3 sub intervals 0 to pi by 2, pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. But here you know that 0 to pi by 2 above the x-axis. 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi above the x-axis, but pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 below the x-axis. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ಸ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ 0 ಟು pi by 2 y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? cos x into dx plus pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2. Here below the x-axis taking modulus signs pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 cos x into dx plus 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi above the x-axis. Therefore, as it is 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi cos x into dx. ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ cos x sin x ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. The range is 0 to pi by 2 plus modulus sign sin x. The range is pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 plus cos x means sin x. The range is 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Right? Here, first put the value of cos pi by and sin x equal to pi by 2, sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. Here also plus modulus of sin of 3 pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 plus here also sin 2 pi minus sin 3 pi by 2. These two portions above the axis. Sin pi by 2 means 1 minus 0 plus modulus of minus 1 minus 1. 3 pi by 2 minus 1 minus sin pi by 2 is 1 plus sin 2 pi means 0 minus sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1 minus plus 1. Its value is 1 plus minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Modulus means 2 plus 1. Its value is equal to 4 square units. This one is the area enclosed by the curve y is equal to cos x in the intervals 0 to 2 pi and the x-axis. Similar type problem ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು next video ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Thank you.